We've got 3 hot tub pumps, and they were given to me by a follower, subscriber, Shake the Frost on YouTube. Raymond is a really good guy. He had 3 of these pumps go out on him, and he decided to give them to me so I could show you guys the difference between a 1.5, 3.5, and a 5 horsepower pool and spa pump. So just so you guys know, the 1.5 horsepower weighs 13.5 pounds. The 3.5 horsepower weighs 37 pounds. And the 5 horsepower weighs 39 pounds. The math isn't math in here. So I'm thinking just because a company gets an extra 1 second longer of spinning this thing before it blows up, then they can call 5 horsepower. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna scrap this one first, then the other 2, then we're gonna compare how much copper to how much the weight is to actually tell you which one has got the most copper. Does that make sense? No. Okay, let's get at it. This one was almost apart. So I'm thinking Ray must have already tinkered with this thing. And once it died, right, just to make sure that he couldn't fix it or something, is my thoughts. Well, here's a piece of copper. Piece of extension cord. Let's see. Okay, we've got 4 bolts here. We'll have to take those out. Good old mag motor. There's a little bit here to scrap if you want. There's some brass and this aluminum. I'm not a micro scrapper, so it's probably just going to go into the shred. Nice piece of cast aluminum. I'm going to make the old salami cut. Just sometimes there's a seam, and the seam, of course, is in the worst possible spot. Come on. Piece of shred. Oh! Aluminum motor. Aluminum motor. That just goes the way it is in the aluminum motor pile. So unlike hot tub motors that lie, Nice Junk merch does not. It's totally 100% authentic. None of that aluminum stuff, just good quality merchandise, and you can get it at NiceJunk.ca, and you can also get it on our eBay store, nice-junk.ca. So check out those links in the description and get some merch. And thank you for everybody that has bought merch so far. You guys are awesome. And don't forget, one more week for NiceJunk15. That's 50% coupon code on either the website or on eBay. Get your merch now. Here's victim number 2, and we're gonna take this apart. I'm not gonna show you that again because you've already seen it. It'll be the same process, but I'll be back to show you if it's copper or aluminum. Copper. Well, we cut the crown off. So we got motor number 2 done, and this came out to 4 pounds, 10 ounces of copper. And the motor we started off with was 37 pounds. So that's a net yield of 12.5% copper content. Not bad. Remember, the first motor had 0 because it was aluminum. Now let's do the next one. Now the 39-pound, 5 horsepower motor. Here are the results on the 5 horsepower motor. Started off at 39 pounds, and we got 4 pounds, 8.9 ounces of copper out of it, leaving it with an 11.7% steel to copper ratio. Wow. Can't believe it, but I'm looking right at it. The 3.5 pound motor had 1.1 more ounces in it than the 5 horsepower. So, bigger doesn't always mean better, guys. Hope you enjoyed this episode of Nice Junk. If you did, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. And that was some nice junk.
Forged in fire, cut to the core. Hidden copper, always worth more. Grind it down, weigh every chunk. Scrap it clean,